Hello guys, how to fix DEREF unknown logon session bug check 0x40x 0 into 40x blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen of death error, the first workaround is uninstall latest Windows. Go to run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type appwiz.cpl. It will open program and feature window in control panel. Here look for apps and features you have recently installed in your system. Simply select it and choose uninstall. Look for another app having conflict with another app. Simply select it and delete them. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open device manager, right click on the start button and choose device manager. And here simply select any driver and look for a scan for hardware changes. A scan for hardware changes. And look for any faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Simply right click on it and choose update. And apply this process for all the related driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Choose search automatically for drivers and update your outdated driver. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and command prompt window will now open. Here type verify your hard drive with verifier command. Press enter. It will open a new window, driver verifier manager. Here make the check against box, create a standard settings and click on next. Select what drivers to verify. Automatically select unsigned drivers and click on next. It will take some time loading driver information, searching for unsigned drivers. Wait for some time till verification completed. And after that, you will receive a message. Unsigned driver have been found. Click OK. If you found any error, Windows will ask you to restart your system. You must restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restore your Windows system. Go to run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type rstrui and click on OK. It will open system restore windows. Restore system files and settings. You have already recommended restore available, but you can choose a different restore point also. Make the check against this option and click on next. Here you will find restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may choose show more restore points and select any restore point before your system was in good condition. Next and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and let the window complete the restoration process. Wait and after that restart your system. Your blue screen error will definitely be resolved.